Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be looking at Misty. It's an ETF that you can buy that pays really high dividends. And I wanted to just show this to you just to help some of you that are looking at ways to get some additional income. And basically, what it is it's a high dividend paying ETF. So the nice thing about this one, or the great thing about Misty, is that it pays a really high dividend. It pays over 100% per year. Basically, that means so whatever you put in, you can expect to be paid out that dividend within a year. So the thing that makes it really amazing is that you still hold the stock, which, you still hold your initial principal, but it pays you. So this is like the ultimate example of making your money work for you. So how it frees you up is basically you take any income that you have that's extra and you purchase these ETF shares with that, and then you can expect to get a dividend. So really simple concept, but it is a very, like, it's quote unquote high risk investment. And I always, I don't want to say this is perfect financial advice. You need to know your own risk tolerance for these things and always, do your own research before you invest in anything and have some understanding. Like, I don't believe you need to know everything there is to know about a certain thing before you invest in it, but you should have some knowledge and some grasp of what you're getting into. So this is not going to be a very long video, but it's very going to be very to the point. And then if you have any questions, definitely leave some comments below and we can get into that in the comment section, and I can make follow-up videos if necessary. So basically, this ETF is trading at $15.81 US today. So it costs $15.81 to buy one share. And then if you buy one share, then you'll get paid out a dividend every month for the share that you own. Now you can buy as many shares of these as you like and then get as much dividends back as you like. I would never recommend you put money into this that you're not that you can't lose. So if you can't afford to lose $500, don't put $500 into it. If you can afford to lose $5,000 and you're willing to invest, put the $5,000 into it. It's worked for me so far. It's been generating extra dividends, which is extra income for me and my family every month. It's been able to free me up so that, playing music, I don't have to worry so much about the money. Like, the money is great when you can make good money playing, but like, the money is not the main issue now. The main issue is the craft and being able to focus on, using your money to, in my position, to glorify God and focus on that. And the money is just an afterthought. The money is icing on the cake if you get it. And then every time I do get money from playing a gig or whatever, I always take a piece of that and buy more Misty. Well, currently I don't buy more Misty. I already have a certain level of Misty, so that whenever I get a dividend, I just take some of the dividend to pay bills and do other things with. And part of the dividends I reinvest to buy more Misty shares. So that means every month I have more shares than I had the month before. Therefore, every month is theoretically a higher payout in dividends than than it was before. So anyway, you go on the program that you use to buy your stocks or your ETFs. I use Wealthsimple because it's exactly as the title says. It's a very simple, easy interface to use. If you have access to it, I do highly recommend it, and I'll leave a link below with my referral code in it, because when you use the referral code, then they've always got some kind of referral program going where you can get extra money for signing up for opening an account and so on and so forth. But anyway, yes, I'll leave a referral for my Wealthsimple down below. Please use the link to sign up for Wealthsimple if you don't have an account already. So basically, you use whatever program you use to buy your stocks or ETF. You go and you look for the ticker symbol MSTY. There's a Canadian version and there's a US version. I buy the US version because it's a much higher performing stock than the Canadian one is currently. But you can look into the Canadian one if you want as well. You can buy the one of the best things you can do is you can buy Misty inside of your TFSA account, your tax-free savings account, whether you buy the Canadian or the American version. If you buy the Canadian version one, you won't have to pay any taxes on it at all. If you buy the US version, then you do have to pay a 15% US withholding fee on your dividends. So if you if you have $100 dividend payout, you do have to pay $15, which is taken out before you even get the dividend cut. But even with the dividend, even with the US tax withholding, I still find that this US stock performs much better than the Canadian version. All right, so yeah, so that's just a little tidbit that I wanted to share with you all. It pays out dividends about every 28 days, every 4 weeks. In August this year, just not last month, there was actually two dividend payouts in 1 month, which I'd never seen that before. But that's super crazy that to get two payouts in 1 month, you really feel like you're balling. So yeah, take a look at Misty, MSTY. Just throwing this in there as well. I always like to buy Bitcoin as well. Um, as there's Misty's loosely tied to Bitcoin, so basically Misty sells covered calls on another stock called Master, MSTR, and Master is basically follows Bitcoin. So it's related to Bitcoin. And the numbers that you can get in Misty are pretty mind blowing when you think of what you can invest and what you can get back. As I said, it returns about 100% or over 100%. So, if you're balling like it and you have $100,000 to put into Misty, maybe not even right away, but over time, then guess what? It's going to pay you back over $100,000. You're going to get $8,000 a month on average dividends payout on this thing, not without having to do anything else. So yeah, that's Misty for you. Take a look at it. Leave a question. Leave questions and comments below. And if you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video. All right.